Now, MRS pattern of brain abscesses. Brain abscesses destroy or displace the brain tissue, so Na is not present. Now, what are the potential abscess markers? As I told you, valine, leucine, isoleucine at 0.9 ppm, alanine at 1.3 ppm, acetate at 1.9 and succinate at 2.4. Toxoplasmosis and tuberculomas, they give prominent peaks from lactates and lipids. Now, in a pyogenic abscess, let us say if we place a voxel within the necrotic tissue, we don't expect any of the metabolites. What do we expect? Amino acid peaks at 0.9 bpm, a lipid lactate peak, acetate peak and succinate peak, as we can see. Now, this is a typical picture of tuberculoma. Very high lipid lactate peak, even larger than Na, all the other metabolites are suppressed. Now, how do we differentiate NCC versus tuberculoma? In NCC, we can see a ring lesion, typically at the grade-wide interface with surrounding perilesional edema. When we put the spectro, what do we get? We get a lipid lactate peak. Na, choline and creatine are maintained. And what about this? We get a succinate peak at 2.4 ppm. So this is NCC. Again, in tuberculoma, it is a conglomerate lesion with perilesional edema, a very, very high lipid lactate peak. You can just have a look. So this is typical of tuberculomas.